How do you cook on breakfast? You know, the trick to toast good bread is to use mayonnaise instead of butter. I don't know if many people do that, but if you use mayonnaise and you get a nice toast, it's way better than using butter. I don't know health-wise, but like taste-wise, it's better. We got our bacon, our bread toasting, and then obviously we got our eggs. So obviously you can guess what I'm making. Yeah. Here is the egg and bacon sandwich. Second sandwich, going out the hot sauce. My favorite one. This one. Sponsor me, please. Something like that. Get our other piece of bread. Gotta get the money shot. Hold on. Unless it goes the other way. We'll see. Oh no. You can't see it because it's underneath. Oh, there we go. Alright. Yo, what? Bro, did I fucking record in the morning? I did it. My sandwiches. Fuck, I'm tripping. Anyway, in a little bit we're gonna head out to Shibuya, but before that, I'm gonna film a snack review. So I'm gonna go to a convenience store, get some snacks, do a snack review, because the washing's on, so I want to be productive. So while that gets done, before I hang it out, I want to do like a video, so I can get like some backlog, so I don't have to record every single day, like new content, or like keep filming every day like the other videos. So I'm thinking maybe smash out a couple videos every weekend if I can. That's what I'm planning anyway. But obviously right now I'm just vlogging, but as usual, same shit. So it's the weekend. I'm just gonna compile this all into the weekend vlog, and then upload the other video tonight, and then upload this vlog tomorrow on like the Sunday night. That's the plan anyway. I think that works out really well, because then I get to do a weekend vlog, extra content during that as well, and then yeah. So that's the plan right now. So we'll see how that goes. But this is my outfit for later when I go out. I'm gonna go get a haircut. We got our 9 jacket, reversible 9 jacket with the sky blue inside. I think I showed this shit off every fucking time, every fucking video, man. But and then obviously the same pants I wore last weekend. Fucking love these pants. They're sensational fabric. So yeah, them's the vibes right now. Gonna go get some snacks. I'm thinking, I don't know what kind of snacks I should do first. I'm thinking maybe I'll do chips. But then like if I open a bunch of chips, like I have to eat all of the chips. That's a problem. So it's like, I don't know if I should do that, or if I should do like things that can close, like candy and stuff. But at the same time, I'm not really a confectionery kind of guy. So maybe I'm just gonna try and get some small bags, rather than the big bags. See if I can go do that. That way I don't have to eat like 5,000 bags of chips in one sitting. I'm thinking maybe I'll do like 5 bags, 6. I don't know how many like snacks you should review in a snack review. I've never done one. So maybe we'll start with, or maybe we'll do a little mix. Maybe I'll do like savory and sweet. And yeah, maybe I'll do that. Let's do it that way. I'm gonna get a mix so I don't get sick of just eating chips. So I'm gonna do it that way. But yeah, gonna head out now real quick, get the snacks, do that. My haircut's at 7:30, so I got plenty of time before that. So I'm gonna head and get this video done, and then after that, washing should be done, and then I can head to Shibuya and record one more video, hopefully. And that's the plans. Maybe I'm gonna do my like what's it called? My arcade vlogs again. Not vlogs, arcade videos again. They didn't do too well, but fuck, they are fun to make. So we'll see. So I'll catch you guys in a little bit when I get to the store, and yeah. just completed the first half of the snack review. Well, maybe not half, first like maybe minute of the video, the little introduction portion. Now we're heading home to actually eat this stuff and give our actual food review. Obviously, I think you're going to see the snack review before you see this weekend vlog. So you guys already know what would have happened, but for me, I have no idea because it's today for me, not for the video. So yeah, gonna go get eating these snacks. Check out the snack review video, which you probably already have because it's gonna be before this video, but yeah, check that out. You'll know what I got on that video, so I don't really need to show you guys what I got here. Yeah, and that's pretty much the plans. So yeah, today's looking pretty good. Gonna get one video done right now. After we get that done, hang the washing. I'm getting ready. After that, head to Shibuya, like just exist in Shibuya for a little while until 7:30, and at 7:30 get my hair cut. And then today is a fucking sensational day, I can't lie. It is beautiful weather. It's kind of too hot to be wearing a jacket. I think it's like 15 degrees right now. Let me check. Something like that. It's pretty hot though. Let's see. Yeah, 19 degrees. Yeah, it's way too hot to be wearing this jacket, low-key. I don't know why I'm wearing this, but hey, it is what it is. I'm gonna get home and take this off. So yeah, I'll catch you guys after I do my food review. Finished up the snack review, so time the bus to move. Let's get to Shibuya. Alright, we are in Shibuya. I'm really here all the fucking time because I work here too. But now I'm come here for fun too, so it's like, bro. So I'm gonna head to the rooftop park that's like up there. And then after that, I'm gonna head to a shrine and then I'll get lunch. That's the plans right now. I'm just going for a zen kind of day. Get some shit done. So yeah, I'm gonna head up there. Maybe I'm gonna film a video up there if it's nice, if I can find a spot to sit and set up the camera. Film a second video of the day for my other content, do a top 5 thing. If I can even do it up there, we'll find out. Anyway, I'll catch you guys when I get up there. This place is vibes. They have like a mini rock climbing wall for the children. And they have a skate park here. I didn't know they had a skate park. I'm so lost. This is so random. Anyway, I want to find a place to sit. So I'm going to find a place to sit. That's so crazy that there's this like skate park here. It's random as fuck. Skate park on top of this roof with like a park, rock climbing wall. That way it looks like there's nothing to sit, so the only area that looks like I can sit down is over here. So I'm going to sit over here. Place is huge. I don't even know what the fuck what's going on here, man. There's so many people here. It's busy as hell. I don't know if I'm gonna find a place to sit down and record. I can sit down, but like I'll be next to people, so I don't want to record. We'll see. There's some freaking dancing going on over there. They got some like tap dancing, Irish jig. I don't know what the hell's going on over here, but here we are, existing in just random vibes. What is happening? Where am I?
We are so
This has me so confused, man. Sometimes I just don't expect to just end up in such random situations, but for some reason, every time I leave my home on the weekend and go somewhere, I end up in these areas. Like, I don't know what's going on, but, you know, I fuck with the vibes. I rock with it. I don't know what's happening, but I rock with it. There's beers going on over here, though. Maybe I'll grab a beer. Shit. I don't know, let's see. do be hitting that shit though. They do be hitting that shit, I can't lie. Some nice lady came around and gave me a charm and description of what's happening. I don't know how I end up in these situations, but here I am. Alright, I did some research. Did some research, and this is for Bulgaria. This is apparently a Bulgarian festival, which I've never seen before in my life. Japan really do be doing everything, dead ass. But this talisman's meant to bring good health and good fortune, so I always appreciate a nice talisman or something like that. Apparently this goes for 1 month. Like this festival in Bulgaria goes for 1 month. I don't know about in Japan, but I like it. It's vibes. So I'm just gonna chill here and like exist, I guess. They do be hitting that.
この後、ブルガリアの民謡の方を1曲お聴きいただこうと思います。そしてその歌の後、今回のイベント最後のダンスのパートのプログラムの方を始めていきたいと思います。
A little bit of background. The name of this is called Baba Mata. So that's the name of this festival. Damn, that takes skill. She'd be singing and then straight away just doing the flute. Dang, she got some lungs. That's hectic. This is very out of nowhere for me, but I fuck with it. Yeah, so I didn't even plan to like see this. I just ended up here. But here I am. This is literally the life in Japan. You just random stuff going on. So yeah, let's go to the shrine now though. So we found a spot to sit. Just gonna chill out a little bit right here. And then we'll head to the shrine maybe like 10 minutes. But unfortunately I can't record like a proper video because there's just too many people. So here's what it is. I'm gonna play some Pokemon Go while I sit here, just enjoy nature, and so I'll be back.
Requested to hold
「
close to being at the shrine. The shrine closes at 5, so yeah, it's gonna be just a quick visit, which is okay. I haven't been to this one yet, even though it's like pretty close to Shibuya Station. But yeah, I don't really hear many talks about this one usually. I think this one's the oldest in Shibuya though, from what I was told. And if they told me wrong information, then it is what it is. I don't usually research much, so whatever I'm told is what I believe. But they said, yeah, this is the oldest one in Shibuya Prefecture anyway. I mean, yeah, in like the Shibuya area. It's like 987 years old, something like that, I think. Anyway, I'm gonna be in there in a bit. We're almost in there. So remember, when you're entering a torii gate, you got to bow when you go in, and when you're exiting, that's just how it is. So yeah, but I'm gonna go in here too. This place looks nice. I don't know if I can go in here. I think I can, but yeah. Alright, so we visited both those little things. And now I'm gonna go get something to eat. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So this is what I like to do in Japan. I just like to explore like the shrines, temples, parks. But I haven't been able to do it in a while. But yeah, super nice. Super nice. Nice and relaxing. This place is super expensive, but I wish I could afford here. It would be nice to afford here, but yeah, super expensive. Yeah, I mean, my day's only like halfway to finished, and we filmed a lot, done one video, the snack review, and then I don't think I'm gonna be able to film a second one today, but maybe I'll try and film it tomorrow. So that way I have like I'll have 2 stored up. Actually 3, because I have my food review, my snack review, and then I want another one. That way I don't have too much pressure on like thinking about what I'm gonna do for my next videos. Yeah, but in saying that, let me know what you guys want to see, what you guys want to know, so I can create some extra like videos for y'all about whatever. And yeah, that's pretty much it right now. I'm gonna catch you guys when I get to wherever I'm gonna eat, which I have no idea yet, so I'm gonna Google that, and then we'll see where we land. So I've come to like a fried chicken restaurant that was literally like on my walk. Yeah, just because I saw it, I was like, you know what, I could go for some fried chicken. When can I not do it, you know what I mean? I could always go fried chicken. I'm a fatty. But I'm thinking like I need something else on the side, but I don't know what. I think I'll just get like a bunch of chicken. That's the plans. I think this is a whole chicken. Maybe. I might get that. Just straight up whole chicken. Or I could, nah, yeah, I might just get the straight up whole chicken. Or maybe I'll get like these wings. You know what? I'm gonna get the wings. I'll be back. I'm just getting free performances out here, man. Everywhere I go, man. I'm keen to get this haircut. My hair's cooked. Shibuya, and it is busy as a motherfucker, as you would expect on a Saturday. But yeah, I'm just honestly gonna walk around until my haircut. My haircut's in about 2 hours, so I still got heaps of time. So I really don't know what I want to do. Maybe I'll go to the arcade, but I don't know if I should. I'll think about it. But right now I'm just gonna walk for a bit, and then we'll see what happens. All right, before I get a haircut, we're gonna link with Tantris and grab a beer. So I'm waiting at the Hachi statue for this dude, so we can go grab a beer before I go get a haircut. He also, I think, has plans, so we're just gonna do a quick hang sesh and yeah, see the vibes. That's pretty much it. So yeah. Did you ever play it?
No, my problem with video games is I appreciate them as an art form and I like watching people play. Yeah. I don't have any fucking time. I have no time. Like, I think the last time I actually enjoyed a game to the fullest was Metal Gear Solid 5.
Yeah.
That was 10 years ago.
Fair. They got the Liberty Walk squad out here. Busy, I completely forgot.
Yeah, dude, no pressure.
God.
Big car guy?
Yeah, fucking huge car guy. God, there.
Shit. Left side. Or no, wait.
This, yeah, left side. Oh my god. Oh, there's another one. Fuck. Every time I come out here, there's always these skylines.
That guy's getting late tonight.
Maybe by me. Just had a quick beer with Tantris. Now I'm going to get my hair cut. I'm walking up the steepest fucking hill possible. Alright, well now it looks flat on the camera, but like, this is the hills I'm walking. Yeah. But gotta go up these hills. Oh, and then get my hair cut. And yeah, then I'm gonna head home. Edit my videos. Oh, this is a workout, goddamn. Anyway, I'll catch you guys when I get to the barbers. We're almost at the barbers. This time I'm going to like some dude's place, I think. I think it's at a house. Which is calm, you know, side business type shit for this guy. So yeah, hopefully it'll be good, and it's not as expensive as the last place. Obviously that place was fucking expensive. So let's see the vibes, let's see how it goes. Yo, we just finished our haircut. Fuck, the guy was nice guy, bro. He actually gave me a nice cut too. I went for like a wolf cut vibe today. Yeah, this is how we're looking, bruv. But nah, that guy's super nice. He spoke we spoke heaps of Japanese together. Honestly, he was using pretty easy Japanese, so I like him for that. And then, yeah, that guy's chill, man. He's got 2 dogs, 2 Labradors. Legend. I like this guy. I think this might be my main barber, because that last place I went to, if you guys were watching since then, like, I didn't get any conversation out that dude. I was trying as well. This guy was talking to me, and I like that. That's what I look for in a haircut, actually. As long as the haircut's good and they chat, say less. So yeah, now obviously we're heading to the station to go home. Before I go home, I'm gonna grab something to eat. And yeah, them's the day's done. Go home, edit my food review, my snack review, sorry. Post that tonight. Whew, that voice crack was crazy. Post that tonight. And then edit together this video and my next video tomorrow. You know what I mean? So yeah, them's the rules. So I'll catch you guys when I get like near the station, or like when I eat. So I'll catch y'all in a little bit, man. We're in lighting now, so I'm gonna show off the cut real quick. Got like a low taper, like a skin taper in the texture into basically a mullet at the back, and that's the vibes right now. That's what we're rocking with. Yeah, I'll be back. I have my favorite ramen for dinner today. Yeah. And I'm tired.
You're tired?
I'm so tired. I didn't even do anything today, but I was so tired.
No, you did a lot though. You got a haircut. You went to
That haircut went for so long. That was like an hour. Like
Yeah?
10 minutes or something.
Oh. Did you get a spa?
I didn't.
No.
It wasn't that fancy. He was just regular barber guy. So we're eating, well, I'm eating ramen. And then we're gonna go home.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's it.
Play overcooked.
Play Overcooked, yeah, exactly right. And dream about Overcooked. Have nightmares about Overcooked. Okay.
We're beautiful.
and then just literally right behind us is just. All right. Sunday breakfast. Yes, sir. We're on our way to Tatami. Tatami. No. Tanapata. I don't know. I can't remember.
二子玉川
Yeah, that one.
轟渓谷轟
Todoroki
渓谷
Keikoku.
うん
Todoroki Keikoku.
轟
Todoroki Keikoku. That one.
うん
We're on our way.
And then the other one?
And then that's the valley, right?
Yeah.
And then we're on our way to like the store
うん
to get like plates.
Yeah.
Yeah. And I can't
Which
remember.
is
I don't know.
in?
You did. I don't think you did. You tell me the name of this one?
二子玉川
Futama Tawakawa.
二子玉川
That one.
It's just like
What? Both of the names are so complicated. My God. But it is a beautiful day.
うん
It's like
ね
18 degrees, sunny,
Yeah.
no wind,
Nice and warm.
a little bit too warm,
うん
little hot.
A little bit. A little bit.
That's why we're getting a bus.
Yeah.
Hay fevers.
I can feel the pollen flying.
Yeah. Can feel the vibes.
うんIs it still on?
It is
I
still
don't
on, yeah. Yeah. Let's go top.
Nice.
いいね。
Ah, there's a horse racing there.
Oh,
Ah, sure bet.
yeah, we have never came here. That's what I like about Japan. There's always something really nice, just randomly. You can just walk somewhere and then like magically you'll find something.
Yeah.
That's what I like. Admission free. Oh, thanks. Yeah. You can drive here? What? This is so random. Is this like part of a school campus?
No? There is the horse riding thing.
Oh.
Must be there. I don't know.
This is like a hillside. That's crazy.
Mm.
Taco, taco, taco. very nice. It's a very nice tree. Middle in the middle of the wilderness. Yeah. Let's find out how we can. Mecha E. In Australia?
Yeah.
Yeah. Are you?
Yeah.
This is like what I imagine like my brain's turned off. It's like yeah, and while we can,
Yeah.
until it's too hot to even to bother. Okay. Steepness. The dog chasing the bear. God damn. It's beautiful. So peaceful today. So many parks. So nice. Some event be happening. This is gonna be a long weekend vlog. I did so many things.
Yeah.
It was super long.
For a long.
Yeah. Zara Home. We're going into Zara Home for vibes. This is vibes. Oh. We shopping, and then we're gonna go to a movie. We're gonna go watch Captain America. Yes, sir. Wow. This place is fancy. That's pretty good. It's a nice plate. It is a nice plate. Should we buy that one? Maybe. Shopping for plates. But they got everything in here. Some bougie I didn't know Zara did homewares. I thought they just did clothing. It's crazy. Showing off the cut. But yeah, it's nice in here, man. This is nice. Nice place.
Ben has always been a rock. Johnny is Johnny.
Got curry. And we just finished watching Captain America: New World. It was alright. It was alright. Why are you laughing? Why are you laughing? It was alright. Yeah, it wasn't bad. It was alright. I don't know. I don't know how I feel about Steve Rogers not being Captain America anymore. To be honest, I don't really. I don't know. I can't see this other guy as Captain America, but hey, it is what it is. It's life now. What did you think? What did you think?
Well, that's good. I guess.
Yeah, it was.
I like when the guy like turned
Into the Hulk. Yeah.
Like,
I see. Yeah.
I don't know. That was my first one. So.
Your first Marvel movie. It was okay for a first, I guess. It wasn't too bad. Yeah. But that's my review. It's just wasn't sensational. To be fair, Marvel has gone downhill, so recently. But yeah, I'm gonna eat my curry and butter naan. I mean, cheese naan. And I'll see you guys when we get back. All right, we are home. Yeah, that's the day done. I'm gonna edit together this video that you're about to see, and them's the plans, bruv. That's the day. Weekend over. Back to work tomorrow. But eventful weekend. I did a lot. So yeah, you know the drill, gang. Peace and love. I'll see you guys in a bit.